So I hope you find this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rhea and my YouTube channel is Rhea_Home44. Today I am going to answer one of the questions on one of my YouTube posts last year about unboxing my Samsung Galaxy Tab A 10.1 2019. So I'm going to do a quick video on that question, but the question is, okay, so I found the question. The question is how to insert a SIM card. Maybe the person that was asking the question meant how to insert a micro SD, because a SIM card is for, connecting to a wireless network. And since Samsung Galaxy is a tablet, I don't think any tablet would have a SIM card. So maybe he was asking about micro SD. So today I'm going to show you how to insert a micro SD on my tablet. So normally the tablet, to know if you have like a SIM card or a micro SD in, you just swipe it up like that and go to Samsung and then go to My Files. And you can see that the SD card right there, not inserted. So that means you don't have a micro SD yet. So I'm going to show you how to insert a micro SD. So over here on the right side, so you see there's a power button, and then there's the volume up and down, and then there's another slot over here that shows like a small hole. That is the micro SD tray. In your Samsung Galaxy Tab, it's gonna come in with a pin that looks like this. So this is the appropriate tool to release your tray from your tablet. So you just do it like this. On the hole over there on that side, you push it. You have to be very gentle and push it slowly. Just push it slowly, and then there you go, it released it. And then push the tray slowly. So that's the tray for the micro SD. The tablet doesn't come with the micro SD. This is my old micro SD that I bought. I could add a link in the description box down below if you want to add this, or if you want to buy this. But to put it on the tray, you just put it like that and then gently press it. You don't have to put an extra force to it because it'll fit just exactly. Like the micro SD will fit in the tray exactly as it is. Then to push it back or to put it in, you slowly insert it in the slot right there, and then gently push it in there and then push. Once you heard the click, that's it. And you can feel that's already flushed. The micro SD tray is already flushed. When you touch it, compared to the volume up and down, it's like outside, but the micro SD tray is already there. So when you go back to your Samsung folder, go to My Files, you will see that the SD card over here has already 4 gigabytes, because that's the storage of the micro SD that I just inserted, or the available storage, because it is for 14.91, because that micro SD is from my old phone. So yeah, that's it, as easy as that. So keep this tool so that you can reuse it in the future when you want to replace it with a bigger storage. So I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any more questions regarding the Samsung Galaxy 10.1 A 2019, just put your comments or questions in the comments box down below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are a subscriber already, thank you so much for always supporting me. And as always, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye!